the national capital, where massive fire has engulfed Ghazipur landfill yet again. But let's also tell you that fire tenders are on the spot, dousing the fire, reacting over the same. RLD leader Jayant Singh took to social media platform X about the incident and called it a systematic failure. Now, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, remember, had earlier promised to clear this landfill by December 31st, but instead, more waste has been added to it. I understand my colleague Mohit is joining me live as far as this is concerned. Mohit, good morning. Clearly, even in the visuals that we're looking at, situation not looking great. Can you tell us at the moment what is happening on the ground?
Well, it's been 16 hours that the fire started over here at Ghazipur landfill site, but you can still see that how huge layer of smoke has completely engulfed the Ghazipur landfill site. And if my camera person can show you towards that side, the fire is still not doused. The fire tenders have been here since last night, late evening, but still we can see that how some flames are coming from this Ghazipur landfill site, and the people over here complain that they're not able to breathe, that there's constant irritation in their eyes. Now, the fire over here started at around 5:30 p.m. yesterday, so you can imagine if fire tenders are working continuously since last evening and still the fire is not doused. The amount of fire and the amount of smoke that have completely gone over this area is massive. Now, this is not the first time that the fire has broken out over this landfill site in Ghazipur. In fact, in 2022, it took almost 50 hours to douse the fire over here. And this particular landfill site has also been the bone of contention when it comes to the politics. We also know for a fact that how the BJP says that the Aam Aadmi Party fought MCD elections in 2022 by showing picture of this Ghazipur landfill site. Arvind Kejriwal himself came over here and stated that they will clear the mess of this particular area. That is, they will ensure that this tower, this mountain, if I may say, of garbage will be cleared by 2024, by 2023, but that has not taken place. And look at this. Now, look, you can imagine the plight of people who are staying in their nearby areas, given the fact that how still a fire is not completely doused. There's smoke over here, and we know for a fact that how the people over here in the Ghazipur Mandi are also having problems. Now, the BJP delegation will be coming over here in some time from now. The BJP basically says that is because of the Aam Aadmi Party and their politics, this particular issue of this landfill site has not been sorted yet. And we also know that how Virendra Sachdeva, Delhi BJP president, would be coming over here. We have Praveen Shankar Kapoor from the BJP over here. Let's talk to him and ask him what exactly he has to say on this particular issue. Praveen ji, 16 से 17 घंटे हो चुके हैं, फिर भी अभी तक यहाँ पे आग लगी हुई है। पॉलिटिक्स इस पे होती है। बीजेपी ये कह रही है कि आम आदमी पार्टी एमसीडी के चुनाव लड़ी और उन्होंने कहा था कि इस मेस को हम क्लियर करेंगे, जो कि एक सबसे बड़ी समस्या है दिल्ली के लोगों की, लेकिन बार बार यहाँ पे आग लगती है और ये कूड़े का पहाड़ जितना था उतना ही है, बल्कि बढ़ता जा रहा है।
देखिए, ये कूड़े का पहाड़ उतना नहीं है जितना था। ये देखिए, इधर एक तीसरा पहाड़ भी उठने लगा है। बात वो नहीं है,
दिखाएंगे सर, विजुअल दिखाइए आप।
बात वो नहीं है। ये देखिए, ये एक तीसरा पहाड़, नया पहाड़ उठने लगा है। बात वो नहीं है। बात यह है कि इसी गाजीपुर पे हमने लाल कारपेट बिछा के मुख्यमंत्री को 2021-22 में आते हुए देखा था और वादे किए गए थे कि 31 दिसंबर 2023 तक ये हट जाएगा। उसके अलावा यहाँ गैस रिसाव जो होता है उससे लड़ने की बातें भी की गई थी, मगर 1.5 साल की नगर निगम की सत्ता के बाद भी कोई व्यवस्था नहीं की गई। यह है हमारी शिकायत। हम राजनीति करने नहीं आए हैं यहाँ, हमारे अध्यक्ष यहाँ राजनीति करने नहीं आ रहे, मगर सवाल है कि जब आग लगी तो यहाँ कोई इंतजाम क्यों नहीं था।
So that is the charge of the BJP, that instead of clearing all this garbage mountain over here, the mess over here, we can still see that how a third mountain is coming up over here. But you can see the visual over here. A situation is alarming, given the fact this is not the first time that the fire has broken out over here. But we also know for a fact that how the BJP says that Aam Aadmi Party played politics on this. They went into the election saying that they will clear Ghazipur of this landfill site. But as of now, what we see is that the fire is still over there, and you can can imagine the plight over here. And at 9:30, BJP President Virendra Sachdeva will be coming over here. What the BJP
Right,
says
Mohit.
is that it's because of the Aam Aadmi Party and their policies. And when they went to elections, they stated that they will clear all these garbage pile over here, but that has not taken place. In fact, the BJP claims that it has gone up. But this Ghazipur landfill site has been a bone of contention for the people living in the nearby areas. They have always
All right,
stated.
Mohit, I'd have to interject you there, but for the moment, thank you very much for getting us those inputs. For the moment,